6 tips to excel in GRE in the first attempt. GRE is a standard test that is conducted by its Educational Testing Service. It is a computer-based test and consists of 4 sections: verbal reasoning, quantitative reasoning, analytical writing, and verbal analysis. The GRE is an important examination for students who wish to pursue higher studies in USA or Canada. The score obtained in this exam is used as a cut-off mark for admissions into various colleges across the globe. Many Indian students are also opting for GRE as it gives them an opportunity to study abroad. Here are some of the tips to score high in your GRE. 1. Practice with real questions. It is important to practice with as many questions as possible before you take the real test. This will help you gauge your strengths and weaknesses, thus helping you prepare accordingly. 2. Get enough sleep. You need at least 7 hours of sleep every night so that your mind can rest and rejuvenate after a long day of studying. 3. Eat healthy food. Your brain needs proper nutrition to function properly at its optimal level during exams. Make sure that you eat healthily by eating fresh fruits and vegetables, whole grains, nuts, seeds, etc. instead of junk food like burgers or pizzas, which contain high amounts of fats and oils which can make you feel tired during exams instead of energized. 4. Start early. It may sound bleak, but starting early really does matter when it comes to preparation for GRE. It will give you enough time to revise your mistakes while giving ample time to take mock tests and practice questions, which can only be done if you start early. 5. Do not panic when you see difficult questions. The GRE test comprises questions from various categories, but there will always be some tricky questions that are not easy to solve at first sight itself. Do not panic if you find yourself unable to solve a difficult question. Instead, look for any clue which may help solve it easily. 6. Set realistic goals. Set realistic goals and don't be too hard on yourself if you do not meet them. After all, it's just one part of your application. Final words: if you consistently practice, work, and study hard enough, then you will be able to score great marks on GRE right in the first attempt. There are so many possibilities that you can explore for your preparation. But remember, all of this will come to nothing if you don't focus on your basics. Consider signing up for the GRE Coaching Center in Kolkata to prepare better. Similar to GRE, you may also be required to take an English proficiency test if you want to study abroad. Even for that, join a good coaching center that offers TOEFL English exam preparation in Kolkata. Prepare well, score high, and stand a chance to get admission to the best university abroad.